AirPods are the best in 2025. Well, think again. The game has changed, and Apple's reign is being seriously challenged. We found 4 incredible earbuds that don't just compete with AirPods. They beat them in key areas like sound quality, active noise cancellation, unique features, and, most importantly, price. We're talking about the Sony WF-1000 XM5, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4, and a wildcard innovator, the Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi. But how did we reach this verdict? This isn't just about opinions, it's about rigorous testing. We put each pair through its paces, using both an iPhone to test AAC performance and a flagship Android phone to push high-resolution codecs like LDAC and aptX Adaptive. We tested ANC effectiveness against simulated airplane cabin noise and a high-speed fan. We recorded microphone samples in quiet rooms and on noisy streets. We logged every minute of battery life, tested multi-point connection stability by switching between a laptop and a phone, and spent hours evaluating fit and comfort. And of course, we're giving you the real on-ground prices in India. No fluff, just facts. First up, the reigning king of noise cancellation, the Sony WF-1000 XM5. If your number one priority is blocking out the world, these are your champions. Sony's dual processor system and new Dynamic Driver X create a bubble of silence that is simply unmatched. It demolishes low-frequency hums from planes and trains, and significantly reduces office chatter and street noise, even more effectively than the latest AirPods Pro. For Android users, the inclusion of the LDAC codec is a massive win, delivering near-lossless high-resolution audio that makes your music sound richer and more detailed. The battery life is stellar, with 8 hours in the buds themselves, and a total of 36 hours with the case. And its multi-point connectivity is rock solid, letting you switch between your laptop and phone without a single hiccup. The new glossy finish might be a fingerprint magnet, but the smaller, more ergonomic shape and memory foam tips provide a secure and comfortable fit for hours. They also carry an IPX4 rating, so they're safe from sweat and light rain. Sony's AI-based noise reduction algorithm for calls is also a huge improvement, making your voice sound clear even in windy conditions. While AirPods have traditionally been the gold standard for calls, the XM5s are now neck and neck, and for Android users, they are the clear winners. In India, they're priced at R22,798, but keep an eye out for sales where they can drop below the 20K mark. For pure ANC performance and features, especially on Android, the XM5s crush the competition. Next, we have the master of immersion, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds. While Sony wins on raw noise cancellation, Bose is the undisputed king of comfort and a pioneer in a new kind of audio experience. Their secret weapon is Bose Immersive Audio. Unlike Apple's spatial audio, which can sometimes feel artificial, Bose's version creates a wide, deep, and incredibly realistic soundstage that feels like you're sitting in the middle of a live performance. It's genuinely breathtaking. The legendary Bose Comfort is here in full force, thanks to the soft silicone tips and stability bands that lock the earbuds in place without any pressure. You can switch between quiet mode for top-tier ANC, aware mode for transparency, and the game-changing immersion mode. Battery life is a respectable 6 to 8 hours depending on your usage, and they also feature an IPX4 rating. Call quality is solid, though perhaps a small step behind Sony and Apple in very noisy environments. Priced around R25,900 as in India, these are for the listener who values an immersive experience and all-day comfort above all else. Now, for the audiophiles. Meet the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4. If your primary concern is pure, unadulterated sound quality, your search ends here. Sennheiser's True Response transducer system delivers a sound signature that is beautifully balanced, lifelike, and incredibly detailed. It's like having a pair of high-end studio monitors shrunk down to fit in your ears. The bass is tight and controlled, the mids are rich and natural, and the treble sparkles with clarity without ever being harsh. These are also future-proof, supporting aptX Adaptive for high-quality, low-latency streaming, and are ready for next-gen LE audio and the Auracast feature. The Adaptive ANC is very effective, automatically adjusting to your environment, and you get a solid 30 hours of total battery life. The build quality is exceptional, with a premium feel that justifies the price tag. At Rs 19,190 in India, they offer unparalleled audio fidelity for the price, making them the clear choice for anyone who truly wants to their music. Finally, let's talk about the future with our wildcard entry, the Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi. This is where innovation takes center stage. These earbuds are among the first to feature solid-state XMEMS drivers. Unlike traditional drivers that move air with a coil and diaphragm, XMEMS uses tiny silicon flaps that react with lightning speed. The result? Astonishingly crisp, clear, and detailed high frequencies. Cymbals, vocals, and strings have a clarity that you simply have to hear to believe. But the real magic is in the name, Mimi. These earbuds integrate Mimi hearing technologies, which runs a personalized hearing test through the app, and then tailors the audio output specifically to your ears. It compensates for any subtle hearing loss you might have, making the sound richer and more complete. It's a truly transformative feature. They also pack in LDAC and LE audio support, making them technologically dense. With a price expected to be between Rs 18,000 and Rs 22,000, the Creative Arvana Ace Mimi is a glimpse into the future of personal audio. So, let's break it all down. If you need the absolute best noise cancellation for your daily commute or frequent flights, get the Sony WF-1000X M5. If you crave an immersive cinematic audio experience and prioritize all-day comfort, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra is for you. If you are a purist who demands the most accurate high-fidelity sound, the Sennheiser Momentum TW4 is your only choice. And if you want to be on the cutting edge of technology with personalized crystal-clear audio, the Creative Arvana Ace Mimi is the exciting new contender. But if we have to crown one overall winner for 2025, one earbud that offers the best combination of class-leading ANC, excellent sound quality, robust features, and solid cool performance, the title has to go to the Sony WF-1000X M5. It's the most complete package, especially for Android users, and represents the pinnacle of what a true wireless earbud can be today. That's our verdict, but what do you think? Which of these AirPods killers would you pick? Let me know your choice in the comments below, and if you want more real-world tech reviews that cut through the hype, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.